Hey guys, this is Howard UBR Tech. Today's video is going to be a disassemble and reassemble of the H&K USP Tactical. So the first thing we do, like always, is make sure the gun is safe. How we do that is by pushing down on the mag release right here. The magazine comes out. And then the next thing we do, because we're still not safe yet, is make sure that there's no ammo inside the barrel. So what you want to do is grab it like this, make sure your finger is nowhere near the trigger. This portion is your slide. What you're going to do is you're going to grab the slide from here, pull back with this hand while pushing forward with that hand. So you're going to pull back, see that there's no ammo in there. And if you like, you could do that a couple of times. Now we know we're safe. The next step is getting this etched out part right above the slide release. And then once you do that, you have to hit this button right here, which is the slide release axle. So how we do that is by putting your hand like this, just like that. And then you want to wrap your fingers over the top and pull back. Okay, so you're pulling the slide back. And then once it's right above that slide release, on the other side, we're going to push this button in. So you have to push that in as much as possible. And then you have to grip this part and pull this out. And it can be tough sometimes. Let me try to, there we go. I didn't push it in hard enough. You really want to push in real hard. And then you're going to pull this part out like that. And this piece comes right out. Set that aside. And then from here, you can let the pressure go from the slide. And then you could push the slide to the front of the gun, just like that. You can put this portion down. And now the next step is to take the recoil spring out, which is this whole piece right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this way. So you're going to kind of compress the spring while pulling up. So just like that, it's real easy, comes out. Next is to take the barrel out. What we're going to do is we're going to pick up the barrel like this, kind of upward, and then slide the barrel forward a little bit, and then just slide it back out and upward, just like that. Okay. Once you've done that, you have successfully disassembled your H&K USP. Now let's put it back together. So let's pick up the slide, pick up the barrel, just like this. The front of the barrel right here will go into this hole right here. So just like that. Okay, and you're going to see the barrel come out. Ooh, not that far, but it'll see come out like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to push the barrel in like that, and you'll hear it pop. It'll just go right into place. Next, what you'll do is you'll pick up your recoil spring, and then this part of the recoil spring will go into this circle right here. Okay, you're just going to lay it in there. It really doesn't like click in or anything like that. And then so the side with the hook right here is going to be facing down. Okay, so just like this. Okay, and then you're going to pull, you're going to compress just like you did before. So with that hook facing down like this, okay, you're going to push, like compress the spring that way and then push downward. So just like that. And then it's in. So you can see that's exactly how it should look. Again, it's not like it really fits in there really snug. It's just kind of sits in there. Okay, just like that. So the next thing you do is you pick up a grip module, and there's these pieces right here. These are your rails. Okay, what you want to do is you want to get those rails to slide in right in here and here. So I'll show you just like this. Just like that. See how they kind of fit in just perfectly? And then what you're going to do is slide forward all the way to the rear. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing that you did when you took out the slide release. Okay, so you're going to put the gun just like this in your hand, in the webbing of your hand, wrap your fingers over the top, pull that etched out part right over. You can see it kind of fits. It's like it matches up perfectly. And you're going to take the slide release, right, with this piece and that piece facing upward. You're gonna put this part right here into this hole, just like that, and it kind of snaps right in. And then once that's in there, let the pressure from your fingers go forward, and just make sure your finger is not in this part right here, because when you slide, see how it's like it opens up, you can catch your finger there. So I've done that before in the past. So once you do that, release the pressure, like I said, on the slide, and you are put back together. Next thing I like to do is a function test, which is gripping the gun like this, grabbing the slide again, racking the slide a few times, and then what you're going to do is point the gun in a safe direction and then pull the trigger, and then if everything works just like this, then you know that the gun is put back together correctly. Last step you do is take your magazine, put it back into the gun, and you have successfully reassembled your H&K USP Tactical. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.